name is Dave from the Post Your Sales channel / Help You Network. I'm making this video about a company called Seedsheet. Basically, it's a company that makes a sheet and puts seeds inside, and they claim that they make gardening very, very easy. Here's their sales pitch on WeFunder.
Meet Seedsheet, the ultimate backyard brand that's generated over $5 million in revenue since 2020. We've sold directly from our website to more than 52,000 customers, and we've moved over 140,000 units at wholesale. We've gone from Home Depot shelves to TV's Shark Tank.
I freaking love this.
To 3 sold-out runs on QVC.
You know what, Cam, if I were you, I'd get out your cell phone because you're going to probably be taking a picture of a sold-out sign.
To even harvesting fresh tomatoes in Times Square on Good Morning America.
And it's the easiest way to grow a garden.
We grow gardeners, because when times get tough, the tough get growing. History proves that Americans garden more during recessions. And during the last downturn in 2009, it spiked by 20%. Today, gardening is a $55 billion market with 1 in 3 households growing their own food, but it's still too hard. 40% of beginners fail in their first attempts. I'm Cam Kugler, founder of Seedsheet, and we make it ridiculously easy for beginners and pros to grow healthy and organic, pesticide-free food for their families. Seedsheet is a utility-patented rollout garden that empowers everyone to transform their backyards into farmers markets. No planting, weeding, or herbicides required. Build your own custom garden or choose from recipe-inspired kits. Lay it on a garden bed, add water, and watch it grow. Seed sheets are made in our Vermont factory by American workers earning a fair wage. And they're great for the planet, helping reduce food waste, plastic consumption, irrigation, and harmful herbicides. We're raising investment funds to focus operations on our single best-selling product, the Super Raised Bed. We believe we can get to significant profitability and scale with this product because it's generated 70% of our revenue in the last 3 years. The Super Raised Bed sports 80% profit margins, protected IP, and virtually no direct competition, despite being in the largest segment of home gardening. And we've partnered with the Harmon Brothers Agency, the team behind Poopery, Squatty Potty, and Purple Mattresses. Harmon Brothers helped turn 6 companies into billion-dollar valuation unicorns. After years of selling millions of dollars worth of products and proving our team's ability to deliver results, we're ready to take it to the next level. We're raising on WeFunder because we want all our customers and fans to be investors and owners. Together, we can make gardening easy for everyone. Let's take farm to table to the next level. We're excited to invite you on board our next growth adventure. Invest today.
Well, there you have it. It's a wonderful pitch. The product looks great. There's over $700,000 worth of investment from WeFunder. The minimum is $100. They've teamed up with Lori from Shark Tank and other partnerships. But looking at the terms, they would put you to invest in a safe. And a safe is just basically a fancy term of saying it's a safe way for the company that when they take investments, they're not obligating of giving you equity or future shares. So it's a bit sketchy on that aspect, but the product looks good. Maybe they'll honor their word if you invest and eventually get a return on your investment, or if you just want to be a part of what they're doing, which is pretty good if anybody's gardening and has a hard time planting stuff in the past. So hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.